Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your X account using the mobile app. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Tap on your profile icon in the top corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, select your account, then tap on Deactivate your account. Here, X will show you some information about what happens when you deactivate your account, including the waiting period before it's permanently deleted. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Deactivate. Enter your password to confirm the action and then tap Deactivate again. Once you do this, your account will be deactivated immediately. If you don't log back in within the next 30 days, your X account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your X account directly from the app.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.